Did you know that excellent customer service skills are essential for any job and are in big demand across many industries and sectors throughout London? Whether or not you have any customer service experience, a free customer service qualification will provide you with the skills, knowledge and accreditation you need to excel in the world of customer service, where so many different opportunities are waiting for you. On this 2-week course, you'll learn about essential customer service concepts, processes and principles, how to best relate to customers, all about important legislations, and a whole lot more. And if you've got what it takes, we'll refer you directly to one of our partner employers who prefer to hire Strive training graduates. So if you're interested in a customer service role, this is the course for you. Speak to us or your JCP advisor to take advantage of this free opportunity to get ahead. It's time to get the skills to get the job.